Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today we will be learning how you can change aspect ratio in CapCut. To change the aspect ratio in CapCut, launch open the CapCut application and select a project or create a new one. I'm just going to open up an existing project. Once you end up in the editing screen, go to the bottom of the screen and choose aspect ratio. Now choose your desired aspect ratio. You can choose your aspect ratio for TikTok, Reels, YouTube landscape, Instagram, Facebook, etc. After choosing one of the desired aspect ratio, you can then tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. Changing your aspect ratio won't crop your original footage, but you might need to reposition or zoom clips to fill the frame nicely. And that is how you will be able to choose or change the aspect ratio using CapCut. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.